Okay, so this is like bloopers and stuff, and me showing the actual map. So, yeah, it's the actual map. It's the actual game. It's got a few million visits. It's called Car Crash Studio. I showed that in the intro. So you saw the train cam, the police cam, bridge cam, and the Mustang camera. But there's a UPS truck. There's another bridge cam. There is another police car cam. There's a rear cam on the train. That is what I've done. So this Mustang. So you may or may not have seen videos, but of people that put like 360 cameras on a mount like this on the back of their cars. It's kind of cool looking. Watching the footage. That's basically what that does. I'm actually surprised I was able to get it. And there's some criminals. So these tanker cars just explode these. So it's basically gonna be a bonus clip. God, the train's just going. So, I'll show you the other cameras. So we have police rear. So it's the other police car. Now we have the train rear. Also, the train doesn't get launched as much as I wish it would. Starts pushing it. And the other bridge cam. Ooh, other side. So you can't hear me in the original video here, but I say that I don't like this cam as much, but it's still pretty good. But since there's so many explosions, you just can't hear me. So that's why I have to do a voiceover. Also, did the Mustang literally just get run over? Yes. Wait, what? What happened? Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, so consider liking and subscribing. Goodbye.